everyone, this is Maitri, the co-founder for Iris Skin. I hope you guys are doing well. So I am here to give you a quick glimpse of our outer packaging here, in which we'll be sending in the products. So with me I have the classic rose face mist. So as you can see, here is a very beautiful logo of Iris in rose gold. Then we have all the USPs listed here for the product. We have all the ingredients mentioned here, directions to use, warnings, everything that you need to understand about the product. Then we have a very special thing written here by our founder Nupur. So this is written as "Go ahead, rule the world." #Slay with Iris, and it is very close to my heart because the moment I read it, I related it so much with myself. Because this is something that we want you to feel when you get your hands on our products. That is, you are all set and ready to rule the world and conquer your day when you do your makeup, when you do your skincare, and you just feel the best version of yourself, all the confidence, all the inspiration, and everything that we can give you through our product is what we heartily hope for. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy all your purchases, and let us know, share your feedbacks with us. We are very excited to know